Hi guys, are MTBS exploiting you by disabling macros in CNC so that they can charge you 4 to 12 lakhs later? I'm Abhijit Bhatt. From last 22 years, I and my company Manleo Designs have improved productivity by 70% over 400 customers using probing. Did you know before 10 years, most of the CNC by default used to come with macros? So people could add automation and use probing systems. But of late, MTBs are starting to block macros and use this as a negotiation tool to reduce 20k to 5 lakhs depending upon different brands. And after you bought, later they charge 4 to 12 lakhs to enable the same. Be smart and enable macros when buying the machine, else you cannot move to Industry 4.0 or use probing. If you found this useful, please like and share. Thank you.